Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 106. Let me be still and listen to the truth. And just the title, we're really kind of asking, please let me be still, because we live in a world of great busyness all of the time. Now, this lesson, first of all, please read it. If when you're on your iPad, on your phone, in the book, it is absolutely poetic. And it's just so enlightening and uplifting. It's a beautiful, beautiful lesson. So, in addition to that, so it is a continuation of yesterday's lesson about giving and receiving being one, and there are several lines in it which I'll go over to point that out. It's also a reframing in a way of lesson 71, or at least a line in lesson 71 that says that our answer from the Holy Spirit is always in proportion to our willingness to listen, okay? And in the text, because I'm always trying to bring all of this together to see how cohesive this is. And in the text in chapter 8, there is that the Holy Spirit's voice is as loud as your willingness to listen. So here's the information. The Holy Spirit's voice is always here for us. The Holy Spirit's voice, which is the voice for God, is always ready to speak to us. But until we get still and listen to the truth, we will not be able to actually hear it, because this isn't the voice of the ego that is so loud. This is a voice of quiet. This is a voice that leads gently, and this is a voice that will change how we feel and recognize about how we give, what we receive, and who we are and why we're here. In this lesson, the words ministry and messenger are mentioned, that each of us here will begin our ministry. These are the people that will come to us, or they will find us, or we will go to them, and we become a messenger for the Holy Spirit, that as we receive the message, as we listen and we hear, now we can extend those messages. And in the lesson it says, thus does salvation start and thus it ends, okay, because we have received and now we're giving, and thus it ends when everything is yours and everything is given away. It will remain with you forever. This is a rethinking of how the world sees giving and receiving, okay? The lesson tells us that we need to be still. And today, that's what we're saying, let me be still and listen to the truth. Let me be still and listen to only one voice, just one voice today, okay? Because there are those two voices, and we get to choose, or it's like, which one do I listen to? But today I'm saying I don't want to listen to that loud, cacophonous voice of the ego. I want to be still and listen to the one voice. And I get to hear that one voice as I am silent. This lesson says, prepare for miracles today, because they are coming. We will receive them. We will recognize them. And one of these things that these miracles will bring us is happiness 1,000 times more than anything we ever could have dreamed of. This is a lesson of really good news. This is a lesson to lift us up. Yes, 5 minutes still, the beginning of every hour, and the words, the sentences to go into it is, I will be still and listen to the truth. What does it mean to give and to receive? Everything that I am going to receive from the listening to the truth, listening to this one voice, I will now be able to give away. And I know I will give it away. I will hold on to nothing of it. And as holding on to nothing of it, I keep everything. And that is, of course, different from the thinking of the world. And then the end of the lesson says, let me be still and listen to the truth. I am the messenger of God today. My voice is His to give what I receive. Beautiful lesson. Please read it. Please share. Please subscribe. And I will see you here tomorrow. Namaste.